Right, there's a 20mm flange. Right, now the problem I'm going to have is I do actually have a hole in the bottom, in there. There, look, you see it? That's where the old waste pipe went. Now, I'm not sure what to do, because it means we've been a straight do rather than angled. I'm going to have to run it at back of the sink, and I don't know what to do. I could have it coming straight down, then through the floor here, and then take it across to the waste tank. But I've got my pan in this cupboard, and that's why I built this cupboard, for my pan. And there's no way on earth that anything is going to stop me putting that pan in there. It's divorce procedures. No way. Right, so I suppose I could move. No, I can't move the pan over. No, because then I won't get me other things in, you know, my hurdy-gurdies. So what I'm going to have to do is cut an hole there, run the pipe in, cut an hole down there, and then go straight down to the existing. So I don't have a drill big enough. I do have some hole cutters, but they're knackered, so I can't. Right, I'm going to drill a hole there. Well, do it with my multi-tool. Right, I shall get back when I've done them. Managed to cut a hole there. I've also got one, because I was thinking about the exhaust, you see. It's actually underneath there. I don't know if you can see it. There, can you just see a little gap? So it's going to go around there. Yeah, and obviously through that hole there. That hole. It's coming through there. So, yeah. Just, yeah. Pipes on, running through. It's still got to go through all at the bottom there, but no worries. Right. While I've got it like this, I put it down and I've marked a line there. Let's go. Right, now that is the edge of the. That there. Where are we? There. Where are we? Oh dear. Yeah. Anyway, what I'm going to do is put a batten along there, screw it, you know, a couple of them, and then all I have to do then to actually fix the worktop down is screw into the sides. It'll become apparent anyway. Once I've got it on, I'll show you. It just makes life easy as well when you're taking it off, if you ever need to. Like I say, I can take shelves out, it's not a problem. Right, so I'll get them on and I'll show you what I mean. What I've done is cut a piece. That's it. Like I say, that line there, it's not going, it isn't going there, it's going above it. There, like that. Pilot holes. Always do pilot holes. It's not worth the hassle. Just do it. Yeah, and a couple of, I think they're 30mm screws. Right, show you. As you can see, that's the batten. Basically, before praying, screwed it to the base. Got one there, one at back there. The front is just that. I don't know if you can see that there. Water pipes on, obviously going at back of the fridge. Yeah, there. So it's a case now, just feed it through floor and connect up at bottom. then it's hunky-dory. So anyway, the actual work surface now is connected. I'll just have to connect the gas. Right, pipe come through floor, tied up. Right, they were a 25mm pipe this, so what I've had to do is get some of the old pipe, push it inside and do it that way. It's the only way I could do it, because the outlet on the sink is 25mm, so it looks like it's bending that, but it's okay. Look. Right, no money for who's guessing at side of me under the van. I got on a van and he crawled outside of me. Yeah, where's oil in his head? Oh yeah, look, he's getting oil on his head. Where is it? Where is it? You got oil? There, look. He's been messing. he said he wants a Talbot for Christmas. I said, you're fucking mad. Right.